Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I did it again. I picked up some more constitutional silver from my local resource. Seems like maybe he's found himself another resource, not really sure. But he's been getting a hold of me, and he had another fantastic deal. And you can see it here, kind of packaged a little bit funny. But we have a bunch of halves in here, some quarters, some dimes. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, he's got some kind of funny packaging this time around. Not really sure what these are. They look like little shot glasses with lids on them. Some from the restaurant industry or something. So what was in here was a roll of halves that has fallen out like these. So let me set these here. We'll put this aside for now. Let's pull my camera up here a little bit. Dump these out. Let's see what we have here. I've got a great relationship with this guy. Really appreciate all the deals he's brought to me. I'm sure he appreciates all the purchases that I've made off of him. So you can see here all these halves fell out of this little bucket. Kind of strange. Could have just thrown them in the bottom of the bag. That would have been alright with me. So it looks like we have a roll of Benjis here. We have another roll of Benjis here. We have a roll of halves. Not sure what those are. Roll of halves. And a roll of halves. So let's organize these. We can see this says Mercury's right there. And this says Mercury's as well. Alright, so $10 face of Mercury's. So these over. And some quarters. So it looks like to me, and I actually know that we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70 face. Alright, cool. That's another great purchase. I think he said these are walkers. Let's just take a quick peek on these other three rolls. Yep, looks like we've got some walkers down. These other ones. Well, why don't we go ahead and deal with the halves first, since we've got these open containers. Ooh, I get busted if I got caught with open containers. So these might have, I think this fell out of the package and I just kind of fixed them up and put them back in. I was trying to contain them all. So let's go ahead and count these, make sure they're all here. But you can see one had a little bit more in it. So 3, 6, 10, 14, 18, 20. And let's go with, those there. There's 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 2. I wonder if one of these ones are short. Let me count those again, folks. There is 5. There is 10. There is 15. There is 20. Alright, so that's 22. Let's go with 5, 10, 15, 18, and 20. Okay, I just miscounted the first time around. Don't know how I did that, but I did. That's cool. That would have been the first time ever he gave me too many, so. Alright, so we got 2 rolls of Benjis. Let's take a look at some. What appears to be 3 rolls of walkers. Let's find out. Yep, looks like walkers. Looks good. And we have 5, 10, 15, 20 of those. There's $30 in halves. Let's look at a few of these. Let's look at this roll and see what we have in here. Still would like to turn it down just a little bit. There we go. Another roll of walkers. Five, 10, 15, and 20. Alright, so there we have a total of 80 halves. Let's do one more. These are definitely walkers. Looks good. Looks pretty standard stuff. 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15. Looks like I am one short. I will have to talk to him about that. It would be the first time he ever shorted me as well. 4, 5, 9, 10, 13, 15, and 19. That's a little strange. He's usually pretty darn good at that stuff. He usually counts them personally. But, oh well, I will talk to him about it. That's not a problem as far as I'm concerned. But it's definitely something I expect, and I will talk to him about. So there we have, I'll put another half in there, so we have $50 worth, or 100 halves. And then let's look at the quarters. Alright. Take a look at these beauties. Look pretty good. Let's set those down. I don't generally count this stuff till I'm ready to roll it up and put it away, but we'll definitely count based on our findings on these halves over here. Cool. I can tell these are from a different resource, so these aren't nearly as nice. I mean, they're in good shape, but they're not nearly as nice as what I usually get. This is what you can usually expect, even if you get them from the online bullion dealers. This is exactly what you can expect. In fact, I was watching one of my old videos the other day on YouTube, and I was looking at a roll of quarters that I received from APMEX. And those things are in pretty rough shape. I got some pretty good slicks in those things, so and I'm not used to getting stuff like that from this guy. I get some good, usually some good coins. So you can see here, these look pretty good. Pretty good looking Mercury's, pretty standard. No slicks though, I like that. All in really good shape. Awesome. Alright. And it looks like this is another roll of Mercury, so let's take a look at these. Trapped couple, what you can see here. Very nice looking Mercury's. Let's lay those down here. Alright. Oh, what a nice stack of constitutional silver, huh? Alright. Those look to be pretty good. I'll take them. Alright. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70. Alright, I'm going to go back and recount these and just make sure, and I'll send them a text, let them know. So that's what we got. And because silver has went up again this week, got this for a really good price. You know, as silver goes up and my cost stays the same, it makes my amount that I get the amount that I pay below spot quite a bit better. So why don't we pull up the calculator and take a look. Alright, so here we go. So first of all, let's figure out how much silver is in this stack. So we're going to count up and see how much silver is in everything here. In fact, I usually have this stuff down. I like it better down. Of course, I just covered up all my quarters. Let's knock this stuff over and get a nice pile over here. Yeah, I like that better. Alright, so what we're going to do is see how much silver is in this pile. So this pile has $70 face. So let's go to our desktop and do 70 times 0.715, which is how much silver is in $1 worth of constitutional silver. You can see here we have 50.05 ounces. So all this silver right here, all this constitutional silver has just over 50 ounces of pure silver in it. So if you take out the 10% for the copper, we have 50 ounces of silver here, huh? Pretty cool, eh? Absolutely fantastic. So what do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Pretty happy about it? My guy will give me an extra $50 if I'm short. He'll believe me. He'll give me an extra $50 next time I catch up to him. Because there was one time, a long time ago, where he gave me an extra $50. And I let him know that he gave me 21 in one of the rolls instead of 20. And I paid him for it next time that we caught up with each other. So that's how you play it fair. You don't keep an extra one, you get an extra one, and you let them know when you get shorted one. But that's okay. It's an honest mistake. I've been dealing with this guy for over a year now, and I'm actually surprised. I thought he was counting each one, and maybe he did and just got distracted. But anyway, thought I'd share with you our most recent pickup. I hope you enjoyed it. Always remember, let's keep talking bullion.